Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the LOREX camera to the application step by step. So first of all, you need to install the LOREX Home or the LOREX application from the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Now when you are inside, you are going to see this type of interface in front of you. Now before this interface, you may ask to create an account or sign in into your account. So you just have to simply do that. Now, once you are inside, you just have to first of all power on the camera and wait for the status light and the voice prompt. On most of the LOREX Wi-Fi cameras, the LED should start blinking green or blinking blue, which means that the camera is already or ready for the pairing mode. Now, if the camera was already connected before, you can just simply press and hold the reset button on that, and you can wait for at least 10 seconds in order to force it back into the setup mode. Now, once the camera is activated successfully, you just have to simply tap on this plus icon or this add device button. Now over here, you need to simply select the option of Wi-Fi camera. Afterwards, you just have to simply allow the permissions relating to record the video, and then it is going to show you this type of QR code scanner option in front of you. So you need to simply scan the QR code on the camera or on the sticker label, and if scanning fails, you can also enter the details manually. So you can select the option of manual, enter the device ID. Now you need to simply just follow further on screen instructions in order to establish the connection. So once it is connected successfully, you will be able to basically manage your camera related details, like you can rename the camera, adjust the notifications, and even change the recording settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.